Let's clarify how to keep your items visible on Facebook Marketplace. There are two main methods, bumping and relisting. Bumping brings your existing listing to the top of search results, giving it a quick visibility boost. It's like a refresh, making it appear newer without creating a duplicate listing. As of late 2025, bumping can be free, limited to once a month, or paid, with boosts starting around 1 or 99 cents for a 7-day increase in visibility, which lets you target specific demographics through Meta's advertising tools. Relisting, on the other hand, involves deleting the old listing and creating a brand new one. This resets the 30-day listing timer and gives your item a fresh start in the marketplace algorithm. Remember, simply reposting the exact same item is against marketplace rules and can lead to account restrictions, so be sure to make updates. To start bumping a listing, first navigate to your listings. Open the Facebook Marketplace app and tap on the menu, usually represented by 3 lines or your profile icon. Look for your listings in the selling section to see all your active items. Once you're in your listings, select the item you want to bump. Look for the menu options on that listing. It might be 3 dots or a More Options button. From there, you'll find the Bump Listing option, which refreshes your item's visibility in search results and feeds. If you've already used the free bump for that listing in the past month, or if you want enhanced exposure, the app will guide you to paid boost options. These start at $1.99 for a 7-day visibility increase, allowing you to target specific buyers in your area through Meta's advertising tools. For relisting, begin by deleting the expired or unsold listing. Go to your listing, access the menu options, and select Delete Listing. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the old post completely. After deleting, create a new listing for the same item. Tap the Create New Listing button from the Marketplace home screen. Fill in all the details, but make sure to update them. This is crucial to avoid Facebook's rules against duplicate postings. When creating the new listing, update the key details to make it fresh. Adjust the price slightly if needed, add new photos from different angles, and rewrite the description to highlight urgency. For example, add phrases like limited time offer or reduced for quick sale. This helps the listing perform better in Facebook's algorithms. Consider using Meta's AI-assisted tools like List Assist, available since mid-2025. This feature suggests optimal times to bump or relist based on user behavior data, potentially improving your sell-through rates by 20 to 25%. Remember, strategic renewal through bumping or relisting with fresh updates can significantly boost your item's visibility and increase your chances of making a sale.